In this video, I'll show you how to efficiently manage your products using Shopify's bulk editing feature. This tool is a huge time saver, especially if you're working with a large inventory or simply want to streamline your product management process. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along with ease. To get started, navigate to your Shopify store by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your store's dashboard, which is the main control center for managing every aspect of your online business. From the dashboard, locate the Products section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will take you to a full list of your products, where you can view important details such as stock levels, availability, and other key information that helps you manage your inventory effectively. Next, you'll need to select the products you want to edit. Shopify allows you to highlight multiple products at once. Simply click on each product you want to include. If you're using a Windows computer, hold down the Control key, or if you're on a Mac, hold the Command key while clicking to select multiple items at the same time. Once your products are selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the product list and click on the Bulk Edit button. This will open the Bulk Editor, a powerful feature that lets you make changes to several products simultaneously, saving you from editing each item one by one. Inside the Bulk Editor, you'll see different columns representing editable attributes. Start by locating the Status column. This allows you to quickly change whether your products are active or set to draft. Setting products to active makes them visible for sale, while draft is useful if you're still preparing your listings. After that, move to the Base Price column. Here, you can directly update the prices of your selected products. Make sure to consider your costs, profit margins, and current market trends when adjusting prices to keep your store competitive and profitable. Once you're happy with all your changes, click the Save button to apply the updates. This step is essential as it confirms and publishes all your edits across the selected products on your Shopify store. That's it! You've successfully used Shopify's bulk editing feature to manage your products more efficiently. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you better understand how to use Shopify's bulk editor to save time and manage your store more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. See you in the next video.